How to replace a Human Touch Super Novo 3.0 audio board. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver to complete this procedure. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 4 visible screws that secure the back cover. Detach the top of the fabric panel to expose the 5th back cover screw, then remove the screw. Remove the back cover. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 4 screws that secure the PCB cover, then remove the cover. Remove all of the red connector locks from the audio board connectors by pulling outward on the tab and then upward. Disconnect all of the connectors from the audio board. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 3 screws that secure the audio board, then remove the board. Now, let's replace it. Place the new audio board into position with the small blue connector on top, then replace the 3 screws to secure it. It's helpful to partially tighten the first screw, fully tighten the second screw, then finish tightening the first screw. Replace the red connector locks on the small red, white, and blue connectors. Connect all of the connectors to the audio board, matching by size and color. Replace the PCB cover with the arrow pointing upward, then replace the 4 screws to secure it. Note the 3 posts on the top of the back cover and the 2 tabs on the side. Note the corresponding sockets on the top of the chair and the 2 slots on the side. Aligning the back cover posts with the sockets and the back cover tabs with the slots, press the back cover into position. Replace the 4 upper screws to secure the back cover. Use your finger to locate the lower screw hole, then replace the lower screw to finish securing the back cover. Fold the top of the fabric panel over to expose the hook and loop fasteners, then attach the top of the panel to the hook and loop fastener strip on the chair. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.